Hi everybody, it's your friendly neighborhood technical writing instructor, and today I'm going to show you how to format figures and tables in your lab reports. Some of this information will be familiar from a previous video on how to resize and position images and wrap text around them in Microsoft Word. Now we're going to look at how to take the data displays that you create in Excel and add them to your lab reports. You're going to work with Excel and Word throughout college and in your career, so these are handy skills to have. Let's get started. You'll see here on the screen that I have open both a lab report, which is a sample from a previous class, and the Excel file that has my data and my charts and graphs. So the first thing you're going to do is navigate down to where you want to insert that first graph. And remember that the place you want to put it is right below the first paragraph where you mention that particular graphic or image. So here we have figure 4 and 5 depict average speed in feet per second for each car tested at the 10-foot and 13-foot checkpoints. So we're going to come down here a little bit, move this guy down. Sometimes it's helpful to come over here to the Home tab and click on the paragraph mark so that you can see the invisible characters so you know where the spaces are. So you're going to put your cursor right there, come over here to your Excel sheet and find the first graphic that you want. So here it's the average speed at 10 feet. You're going to copy that, which just come up here, edit, copy, bring it over here, and you're just going to paste it in there. This might take a second because what's happening is that chart is being linked between your Word document and your Excel sheet. So if you have to go back and retest anything or make any changes in your data, those changes are going to show up not only in the graphic here in your Excel sheet, but they're also going to show up over here in the graphic in your report, which is a pretty nifty thing to be able to do. So you've got your image in here, you've got your graphic, and now you need to adjust the size, make the text. Next, we have to caption it. Now, in your previous work, where in your technical description, you know that you went up here to references, and with your item selected, you come up here to insert caption. Make sure that you pick figure because anything that is not in tabular format is a figure. That's below the selected item, and we make sure that we uncheck that box to exclude the label from the caption to make sure that it says figure with the number. Now, with your Excel charts, here's where things are going to get interesting. Make this go away for a second. Your charts are going to come in more than likely already with a title on them because that's how Excel works. And I mean, you don't want to have this with two titles, right? I mean, that's going to look dumb. It's redundant. You're not going to have something in here that says average speed at 10-foot checkpoint, but it's already up there. You don't need it here and here, right? That's silly. So let's do this. Before you go up to insert your caption, highlight that text, and you can right click. No, you can't right click. Just come up here to edit, cut, then go to insert caption, and I'm working on a Macintosh. on an iMac. So on mine, the keyboard command is shortcut is Command P. It's probably similar to that on a Windows system. But anyway, you paste it into that box. So average speed at the 10-foot checkpoint. But there's other information in your graphic that you can put in here too. See down here where it says feet per second? Average speed in feet per second at 10-foot, the 10-foot checkpoint. Now we're going to click OK. And there is our label. Remember that that's not indented, so we're going to make sure that that formatting gets changed. And then you come in here to your chart, select that axis label, delete it, and there's your chart with its caption. And you're good to go.